I'm going to show you how to replace the glass in any bent metal windshield. First, you'll want to start down here at the seam by the sticker and pull this lock strip out. All the way around. After you do that, you can lift the windshield and support the glass on the bottom and push the frame off of the glass without bending your frame. You can throw away your broken glass. Next, you'll have to support the windshield to keep it flat. Overhanging it off the edge of the table helps on these X3s. We then lube the gasket with this rubber conditioner. You'll want to lube inside of each of the 2 grooves. And also on the tip of this lock strip. We then spray it with just regular glass cleaner. And grab your new piece of glass. You'll want to center it on top of the gasket inside of this top lip all the way around. I'm just pulling the lock strip around the edge to keep it from sliding off. Then we'll start at the seam, grab the bottom lip of the gasket, pulling it up onto the side of the edge of the glass. You'll want to support the glass to keep it from sliding off the other side. This next go around, I'm just going to apply light pressure to the glass so that the edge of that lip can go over top of the glass all the way around. You'll want the glass centered as good as possible to make it easy to hook this lock strip in. You want to spray it again with the glass cleaner. And you want to tuck this lock strip up under the edge of the gasket. Applying pressure towards the glass, not down, is helpful. We also start with the lock strip across from the seam to pull it all together to keep the seam tight from spreading apart over time. So your seam is all buttoned up together nicely. Wipe all the excess glass cleaner and stuff off.